I recently bought yet another Samsung tablet. Yes, I know I have some sort of a problem, but I have a pretty good use case for the smaller Galaxy Tab A9. Let me explain. Cheers from Sweden and welcome to my channel. I post videos about being productive on your Samsung devices, so if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe for more. So, I have now 4 different Samsung tablets with my latest purchase of the Galaxy Tab A9. Yes, I know, a bit of overkill, but I really like the Galaxy tablets. And I've been a little bit curious about how it would be to work on a smaller tablet after viewing some iPad mini videos on YouTube. Obviously, this mini tablet had to be from Samsung, and last year Samsung released the Galaxy Tab A9, a 8-point-inch tablet which is the perfect size and precisely what I wanted. The one I bought was found on Amazon for somewhere around $160, tax included, and it's the 64GB of storage version. So it's not the most expensive tablet out there, which can be explained by the fact that this is not the fastest Samsung tablet. No, the Galaxy Tab A9 is pretty slow, especially if you're used to a Galaxy Tab S9, for instance. I guess that the 4GB of memory adds to the slowness, but I'm okay with that. I don't mind that this is a slow tablet, because my use case is to read books on it, and I won't read any faster on a faster tablet. Running 2 apps at the same time is not a problem at all. 3 apps might work, depending on what the third app is. Sometimes I open a web browser to check something I've just read about, and that is usually not a problem. I use a Swedish app called BookBeat to read books, and I've been using this app since 2017. It's like Spotify, but for books. I also use Google Play Books whenever I buy a book or to read books that I've already bought. Both of these apps works great on the Galaxy Tab A9, and since it's a pretty small screen, it feels like, almost anyway, like holding a physical book. And now, when we talk about the screen, I found a paper feel screen protector that, well, adds to the feel of tapping on paper when flipping to the next page of a book. Plus, it reduces some of the reflections when being outside. The display is not the brightest one, but if I crank it up to the highest brightness, I can sit in pretty strong sunlight when sitting outside. And yes, we do sometimes see the sun here in Sweden. And I like to sit outside reading and listening to some music using any of my Galaxy Buds, which is automatically paired to the tablet. One thing that I miss on this tablet is that there are no S Pen support, which is a little bit of a bummer, because it would be perfect if I could do a quick note whenever an ID pops up. I like to write down video IDs using S Pen, but I've added a widget on the home screen instead to open the quick note in Samsung Notes. And that works pretty well. The battery is pretty good as well. I use the protect the battery mode, so I never charge the battery over 85%. It's 80% if you use the One UI 6.1. But I can use the tablet for, well, 4 to 5 days with more standby time than screen on time. And that's okay for me. I have an alert in Smart Things, so whenever the battery level is low on this one, I get a notification it's time to charge the tablet. What more can I say about the Galaxy Tab A9? Well, I like it, even though it's quite slow. The thing that matters for me is the size. Or as they say, good things comes in small packages. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a lovely day. Bye!